Hello everyone. Today I'm going to test some widely available soldering fluxes that you can easily find in almost every local electronics market. For this test, I'll be using my own DIY reworkstation machine, which will heat the board up to around 200 Celsius. If you're interested, you can also check out my project videos on my channel. Let's see which one performs the best. In this video, my focus is only on finding the best flux for BGA reballing. I won't be testing general-purpose fluxes used for chip installation, SMD work, or other repairs. This is strictly about reballing performance. I'll compare how each flux behaves during heating, how well it holds the balls in place. The goal is to help you choose the right flux for clean, reliable reballing without wasting time or money. This is AMTECH RMA-223 Flux, one of the cheapest options available and widely found in local markets. However, most versions available are copies rather than original. It has a very strong and unpleasant smell, which can cause headaches and eye irritation during use. During heating, the flux evaporates very quickly, which reduces its effectiveness. Its stability is poor, and the solder balls do not stay in place properly. These are only my personal observations. This is not a sponsored video. Based on my testing, I would rate this flux 1 out of 10. It is not recommended for this type of work. This is one-stop UV559 flux, which is a copy of the original mechanic UV559. It performs better than cheaper alternatives, but you need to apply extra flux because it evaporates quickly during heating. I would rate this flux 6 out of 10. It is still not recommended for this type of work. Mechanic UV559 Flux works well and gives good results. It is widely available and not very expensive, making it a solid choice for most users. I would rate this Flux 9 out of 10, definitely recommended for BGA Reballing. It has a very pleasant, almost organic smell, and I really love it much better than the harsh odors from cheaper Fluxes. This is Mechanic P59 Special Flux, and for my testing, it delivered the best results for reballing. It performs excellently and does not evaporate during heating, which helps maintain strong stability throughout the process. The solder balls stay in place nicely and align perfectly. In my previous tests, I had to use a hot air gun at the final stage to achieve proper reflow. However, with this flux, there was no need for additional heat. The balls reflowed smoothly on their own, forming clean and shiny solder joints. Overall, this flux provides consistent, reliable performance and makes the reballing process much easier and more efficient. Highly recommended for professional results. During my testing, I found that it's not just about experience. Choosing the right flux is extremely important for the specific type of work. So don't blame yourself if the results aren't good. Instead, try to find the right flux for the job. I hope this video helps you choose the right flux for your BGA reballing work. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical repair and DIY content. If you have any questions or your own experience with different fluxes, feel free to share in the comments. It will help others too. See you in the next video.